Welcome to the Mass CEC Internship Portal. In this video, you'll learn how to create an account, log in, and reset your password if you ever forget it. Before you can apply for internships, you'll need to create an intern account. Once your account is created, you can build your profile, complete program applications, and learn how to apply for internship opportunities. To get started, open the Mass CEC Internship Portal in your web browser and locate the intern registration option. Click the button to register as an intern. The account registration form will open and ask for basic information about you, including your date of birth, name, address, email address, and other required fields. Some information is used to determine your eligibility for the internship program. If you're under 18, you will not be able to create a profile. As you complete the form, make sure your first and last name are entered exactly as they appear on official documents. Use an email address that you check regularly. Create a secure password using at least 8 characters and a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Review all information carefully before submitting. You must complete the registration in one sitting as there's no option to return and save and return. Before submitting, you'll be asked to confirm that the information provided is accurate. Some information may be difficult to change later, so double check that everything is correct before proceeding. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been created successfully. Your account becomes active immediately, and you can log in right away. Logging in. To log in, select the login button at the top of the portal homepage. Enter the email address and password you used when registering, then select Login. After signing in, you'll be taken to your personalized intern dashboard, where you can begin setting up your profile and exploring internship opportunities. Here's a link to where you can complete the intake form that's necessary before you can apply for internships. To reset your password, don't worry, it can be reset in just a few steps if you forget. On the login screen, select Forget Password. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Submit the request and check your email for a verification code. Check your spam or junk filter if you don't receive the email after a few minutes to see if it's ended up there. The email will come from an email address that has the domain name of either @careerteam.com or @careeredge.com. After receiving the code, enter the verification code, create a new password, sign in, and reset your password. If you have questions, please email the internship team at internships@masscec.com. In the next video, we'll walk through completing your internship session intake application.